In my eyes, this is Birmingham's most iconic building. You see, Birmingham loves to pull buildings down. We used to have an incredible library with timeless architecture that everyone thought was bombed in World War II. Nope, they pulled it down. Then we had the brutalist Central Library completed in 1973. Yeah, that didn't survive either. It was recently demolished to make way for this. You can see, there's a pattern here. Being an iconic building in Birmingham is a dangerous game. But the Rotunda has survived. Construction started in 1961 and was completed in 1965 at a cost of £1 million. But that would be a lot more nowadays. It's the one building that I remember growing up. We used to call it the Coke can when it had Coca-Cola advertising on it. It always looked so clean and futuristic, and I always liked the way it looked the same from whichever side you saw it from. It has a height of 81 metres, and originally the top floor was supposed to house a revolving restaurant, but this was cancelled at the last minute due to budget restrictions. In the 90s, it faced demolition as planning applications were submitted to replace it with a taller tower, but thankfully it survived and was granted Grade 2 listed status in 2000. In the mid-2000s, it was renovated by Urban Splash and converted from offices into 232 apartments with a hotel at the top. It's not the Coca-Cola building that I remember, but at least it's still standing there watching over the Bullring and New Street Station. Thanks, Rotunda.